Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinches class. I am back with another sound, and today we have sound E. Sound E. Now sound E comes from two letters, double letters, E and E, letter E and letter E. And also sound E sounds like sound E of letter Y. Yes. So let's look at the blends. We have B, we have Fi, He, G, Mi, Ni, Pi, Ri, Ki, Ti, Si, Z, and We. Yes, those are the blends. Now let's look at word formation. The first one is B, E, B. Yes, the B. B. Then the next one is sheep. 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 The next one is tree. 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 Yes, tree. And the last one is sweet. 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 Yes, sweet. Let's now look at the sentences. Yes, the sentences are: bees give us honey. Bees give us honey. Bees give us honey. Then the next one, the sheep is under the tree. The sheep is under the tree. And the last one is, I have 3 sweets. I have 3 sweets. And that's it, my friends. I hope to see you in our last video for sounds. And for now, we're saying bye bye.